Hey babe, so for today's video, I was thinking of making something on how people can understand women better. Now I understand that I'm a man and this can get kind of controversial as you probably know, so yeah.
A little bit of mansplaining.
Yeah, I realize that, but again, to my viewers, I just want to say that this is of course a very sensitive topic to make a video on, but I'm going to give it my best simply because I think that women can be understood up to a point. What I'm going to attempt to do here is list out 4 qualities that I think drive women. We're going to do a quick discussion on it. You can agree or disagree with me in the comments below. Let's get into it. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm really nervous about making this video today because guess what? The entire discussion is about understanding women. I'm going to start off with, so if you missed my video last time on understanding men, so this is part of an entire series I'm doing. Today's video, again, similar to what this series is going to do, is going to talk a little bit about the values that women live by and what we can do to understand them better. In the event you have someone in your life who you're having some sort of trouble connecting with, or you're not getting her to see your point of view, contrary to men, women are driven by a whole bunch of other values. These are primarily love, communication, aesthetics or beauty, and relationships. They tend to value people who are being helpful, supportive, and nurturing of their plans and beliefs. While men and women might both have male and female characteristics, I'd like to take this time to say that women do enjoy a sense of achievement and making money. It doesn't mean that they're just driven by those 4 values. They also have other values that men have as well. Great, so let's get into it. Our first point that we're going to talk about is love. When it comes to women, it doesn't necessarily mean romantic love. Love can mean feelings of openness and acceptance. It refers to the ability to be yourself around somebody without any fear of judgment. It also refers to the ability to be accepted by someone without any conditions or expectations. This is the purest form of love, and women really look for this. And this can be from literally anyone in their life. It can be from their friends, people in their family, co-workers, or anybody who just shows them genuine connection. Women have this intuition where they figure out if a relationship is fake very quickly, and unfortunately as men we're not so good at this. If you want to appeal to a woman, be sure to be genuine and make her feel accepted and cherished no matter what role she plays in your life, and she will start to respond. So the second point women value a lot is communication. This should come as no surprise, but a lot of women gain a lot of happiness from being able to share their feelings and gain acceptance from each other. This is a key determining factor on the quality of relationships that a lot of women enjoy. Communication is a way for women to show that they care. If a woman really cares about you, she'll make that extra effort to go out and communicate with you. And they only do this to people who are truly important to them. There's a woman in your life who's taking the time out to contact you and call you and ask how you are, ask how you feel about certain things. Cherish her. She truly cares about you. On the flip side, if a woman doesn't care about you, the vast majority of them will not fight with you, because guess what? You're just not worth that amount of time to them. They will ignore you or cut you out. That's about it. The greatest punishment from their side is for you not to be included in their life. Ignoring or cutting off communication from someone is the biggest indicator that the woman does not want to be around that particular person. Our third point has to do with aesthetics or beauty. Women tend to value the beauty in things far more than men do. Now, this is a slightly complex concept to understand, so just bear with me here. So, beauty can mean nature, it can mean a relationship, it can mean material objects, or even the actions of someone. There's beauty in literally everything. It's just that women are primed to understand and appreciate this far greater than men are. Kindness is beautiful, respect is beautiful, sensitivity is beautiful, and being considerate to other people is beautiful. Though if you replicate these to any woman who you talk to, she's bound to respond to you. Ultimately, it's these kind of aesthetics that women actually cherish and value in a relationship. It's simple as that. So if you want to appeal to a woman in your life, try being considerate and gentle. Be beautiful. A lot of women identify with a close group of friends or people who they like and identify them as a core group central to their well-being. Our fourth point has to do with relationships and community. Women will often have a group of people who they call as their persons. And these could be friends, family members, just people who they have like an amazing quality of relationship. These are also called constants. You can see this word being used very commonly by a lot of women. And this primarily refers to people who've just always been there for them, been able to deliver on their promises, and never really let them down in such a way that, you know, they felt the need that this relationship needs more work or anything like that. One of the key takeaways from all of this is that often one of the best ways to actually get accepted or gain acceptance from a particular woman is to appeal to her people. This is primarily because a word from one of her people carries more weight than anyone else. This usually is like a vote of confidence, and it helps in building trust with anybody else who's new. This also explains why if there's two people from her person's group who just don't get along with each other, this can be the most horrifying experience for any woman. Take this example and talk to any woman who's had two of her best friends fight with each other. Absolute nightmare. So to conclude, apply these principles whenever you interact with a woman and notice the difference that just these four principles will make. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments below about a story where you've tried to convince a woman in your life of something and it hasn't worked out well. Subscribe.